point P, if point Q 0 is 0, 1 is equidistant from point P and point R. Find X. Also find the distance. So that's the next part. Here too, I'm not going to draw the diagram. So we have given, and it is point P being equal to 5, minus 3. Point Q is 0, 1, and point R is x, 6. So I wrote in this order because P is equidistant from this two, so it will be easy for us to think. If not, it'll kind of get cumbersome. So we have to find X. We have to find QR, QR and PR, both. And now we'll start with our working. So, okay, I forgot one more important thing. It's given that PQ is equal to QR. This is my equation 1. So we have distance formula. Which is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square to the power of half. So to solve this, we need x. First thing is we need x to do any one of this. So to find one unknown, we need one equation, and which we have over here. And the way to solve this is squaring equation 1 and continue. Squaring 1, we have pq square is equal to qr square. So pq is 5 minus 0, that is 5 square plus 4 square is equal to, this will be x square plus 5 square. So 5 square gets cancelled, and we have x square being equal to 16. So x is equal to, very important, plus or minus 4. Right, when we take square root, we'll get plus or minus. So basically there are 2 points. So let's have a look. So basically you have r to be equal to plus 4, 6 and minus 4, 6. So let's have a look exactly, how it looks, So let me execute. There are 4 points that we need to plot, right? One is your P, 5, minus 3. Then we have 0, 1. Then we have 4 and 6. And minus 4 and 6. We got 2 x values. So by default in x coordinate, and whenever you're trying to find a coordinate, it will be, generally you'll end up with 2 answers. Okay, generally. So you can see clearly that we have 3 lines that are equal. Means they are equidistant. So we have the right answer then. So let me just, right. So this is our diagram. We almost have a square block. So let's paste it and let's have a look how this works. So we have the PQ. Okay, we need to find where is Q though. I think this is 0, 1, that is our Q. Then this is minus 3, 5. Or sorry, 5, minus 3. That's P. Okay, this is 4, 6. That's R1 and R2. There are 2 points. See, we have 2 points. That is, what the condition is that QP, the length has to be equal to QR. And we have such 2 points. And we have it along the line wherein y is 6. Right, this is 6. The 2 points. So clearly these are equal. If you take a scale and measure it, and if provided this is kind of almost square block, then yes, we have the right answer. So this length is equal to this length is equal to this length. Okay, so this is the whole funda, right? So that's why we have two answers. Okay, so if you want to have a pause and have a look and measure and things, you can do so. So I'll do the next part now. You can pause and have a look first. So the next part is finding QR. QR is there two R's, so we have to find both R's. So we are finding QR1 square, which is equal to Q is what? Q is 0 minus R1 is minus 4, no, plus 4. So 4 square plus 6, 5 square. This will be 16 plus 9, sorry, 25. And this is 30, 40, 41. So QR1 is equal to square root of 41 unit. Next, QR2 square is equal to, we have, this is a lot longer, right? So the answer will be like that only. 5 and minus 6, so 5 plus 4. So 9 square plus 5 square itself. This is 81 plus 25. And so this will be 6106. I think we need to find PR. R is minus 4. So 5 plus 4 is, yeah, 9 and 6. And minus 3 is also 9. Wait, did I do this wrong then? I'm finding that. Oh yeah, this I did it wrong then. This is 9. This is 81. I hope I'm not doing silly mistake. I feel I am though, because it's very confusing. Oh, I'm finding QR, sorry. See, that's the point of not having things on the same screen. Well, I have to deal with the disadvantage. So this is 4 itself. No, that is 5. And this is 4. Wait. Oh yeah, distance has to be equal. What am I doing? So this is the same thing. See, PR1 and PR2 should be the same. Obviously, right? They're equidistant. QR2 and QR1 has to be the same, and so it is so. Right, I was doing idiotic stuff, waste of time. Next is PR. So instead of thinking about PR, I'm thinking of QR. So PR, oh yeah, PR, there are two things which we have to find. QR1 and QR2, these are by default equidistant, so you can just write that. Now we have to find PR1. So P is 5 and 4, so that will be 5 and 4 is 1 square plus 9 square. Okay, so this will be 81, 82 PR square. So 82 PR1 square is equal to 82. So therefore PR1 is equal to square root of 82 units. Then we have PR2 square. So this is minus 4. Kind of very confusing. So, yeah, 5 plus 9 square. Okay, 9 square plus 9 square. This is 81. So 2 root of, okay, 2 into 9 square, because PR2 will be square root of this, right? And this will be 9 root 2. Using the formula AB whole to the power of n is A to the power of n into B to the power of n. Okay, it won't be this difficult, don't worry. I mean, I am struggling because of, well, I'm moving up and down and I didn't write it properly, I guess. No, it's not in the same place. So I kind of, yeah, I tend to make mistake. And if I made also, please correct that. Conceptually, I'm teaching right, that I'm sure. But yeah, calculation, I make mistakes once in a while. Okay, so this is your answer. Hopefully I got the final answers right. And yeah, you can pause and have a look.